Portable beer line cleaning systems and real-time verification apps by Qualflow, revolutionizing draft beer quality. By enhancing the customer experience, brewers have long recognized the commercial advantage that investment in draft beer systems offers. To maximize this advantage, draft dispense systems need regular cleaning and maintenance. Qualflow's portable beer line cleaning equipment and Verify app is designed for brewers who need thousands of beer lines cleaned to the highest standard. Proprietary smart hoses and turbulent flowing detergent deliver line hygiene that's 50% better than manual beer line cleaning. The end result is fresh beer with the flavor and aroma the brewer intended. At the end of the clean, process data is synced with secure servers and the Verify web app. Verify Clean analytics and dashboards confirm that your draft systems have been cleaned to the highest standard. By standardizing and monitoring every beer line cleaned, our customers have improved quality and brand loyalty by serving brewer fresh beer, extended cleaning cycles and improved productivity, increased sales and reduced the cost of cleaning and maintaining beer lines.